In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily open links in new tab in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, so first off we need to open up Safari and then head over to some web page. After that, as you can see here, we got a ton of links. However, if we just tap on a link, it will open up that link in the current tab. As you can see here, I got just one tab, and if we follow some link, it will open it in the same tab. However, if we would like to open a link in a new tab, all we have to do is just a long press on that link, and that's where we can easily find Open in New Tab. If we tap on it, it will create new tab and it will open that link in new tab. After that, we'll be able to switch between our open tabs in that way. In Safari, we can open as many tabs as we want in the same way. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.